Hello, welcome to Spatial Data Hub. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can select features based on their locations. Here, I want to select, I have them, the world countries and then cities in the world too with their various attributes. So let's select all of the cities within Germany, Poland, Netherlands, just these three European countries. So I click on the layer, I click on the country I want, hold down control, click on this, hold down control, click on that, and then I can go to my vector layer, and then research tools is select by location. So here I want to select the world cities that are within these countries. So I click on world cities, not intersect, that are within, probably that overlap, that touch, depending on where they are. So I want to select it from the world countries. I did that because you see this button wasn't highlighted before, selected features only. Sometimes it's grays out even when they are selected. So I want only the countries selected. If I don't tick this box, then it selects all the cities on that layer. And that's not what I want. So I can now see this point to modify selection. I can decide to create a new selection. If I already have some of these cities selected, I can add to the current selection. I can, whatever I want here. So, but me, I want to create a new selection for mine. And then when I'm done with all of this, I run. When you're done, you close. So as you can see, those features are selected. Let's open the attribute table. From the world population, right click, open attribute table. So you see there are 15 cities selected. Here you have them. So you can choose to show only the selected features. Show selected features. You can choose to run analysis based on these features. You can choose to do whatever you want. You can choose to save these features as they are selected, just like this. When you go to export, save selected features, you choose your preferred file formats, and then I'll save as a G package, your destination folder, Spatial Data Hub, and click on save. Every other thing here can be left as default, and then click on OK. So that's the way to select features based on their location. It also works when you're working with line features, but it works best when you're working with polygons. Line features is not exactly as accurate. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.